Right, welcome to part 2 of the solution to problem 2-3. We have just been looking at part 4a and expecting there to be a disagreement between the price the president wants to charge and the price the brother-in-law expects to pay. So the brother-in-law priced out the materials and figures that they're worth about 57 bucks a unit. The president has looked at all the direct and indirect costs, right? The 282,000 and the 108,000 divided by the production and so on, and comes up with this $195 per set cost. So this is brother-in-law. The president is looking at 195,000 presumably, and you know, maybe the brother-in-law will factor in the labor cost as well, so this 57 would go up a bit. But you know what? There's still going to be a bit of a disagreement, right? So the president's going to have to explain to the brother-in-law, hey, there's glue and rivets and stain and all this other sort of stuff that goes into that. And the brother-in-law is probably going to go, to hell with you, go off, make his own, it'll look like crap, and then he'll, you know, maybe buy one later or something, who knows. Okay, so now, B, since the company is operating at full capacity, what cost term used in the chapter might be justification for the president to charge the full regular price to the brother-in-law and still be selling at cost? Okay, this one's, I don't necessarily like the way it's worded. It's a bit open-ended, but what they're getting at is the opportunity cost. And so, I suppose we can write that down. Why opportunity cost? Well, because the plant is at full capacity. So what is the cost to the company of not selling one of those units, right? So in other words, if they had, if they could make 3,000 a month, but they're only able to sell 2,000 a month, so that's what they're making. If they make 2,001 a month, then the cost to the company is this $195 per set, right? That's the cost of manufacturing another one. But if they can sell all they can make, then you would sit there and go, well, look, if I take one of these patio sets that I would ordinarily sell for, I don't know, does it give you a price on the problem? Let's say they sell for $400, right? Instead of selling this for $400, I'm going to sell it to my brother-in-law for $195. Then really the company is only being reimbursed its costs, not the lost profit. And the lost profit would be 400 minus 195 or $205, right? So the opportunity cost in this case, because every one that they make, there's a market for, they can sell them. The opportunity cost in this case is the lost profit of $205, or you know, the full price minus, or the selling price minus the $195 that it cost them. That's essentially what the problem's getting at. And that concludes this problem.